Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I'm going to walk through the Blackbird EA for MT5 and break down what it actually offers, how it is structured, and what we can observe from the historical testing. Right at the top here, this is an MT5 expert advisor called SR-71 Blackbird, developed by Akbar Abdullayev. Is designed specifically for MetaTrader 5, and from the marketplace page, I can see it is optimized for XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. Looking at the pricing, it's listed at $1,299 for full purchase, or you can rent it at $449 for 6 months, or $999 for 1 year. And it comes with 10 activations. The recommended setup here is also quite important. Minimum balance of around $10,000 and leverage of 1:100 or higher, which gives us an idea of the intended account environment. Now, moving into the core details, the EA is fully automated, meaning once it is running, it handles execution without manual intervention. It uses a custom lot size setting with a default of 0.2 lots, and it also includes fixed take profit and stop loss management, which is essentially how it defines its risk on each trade. Another key part here is the real-time moving average tracking system, which is described as the core of its entry and exit logic. So from what is shown, the EA is built around trend-based decision making on gold, specifically using MA behavior to determine when to enter or exit positions. Now, jumping into the MT5 strategy tester, I just want to look at the historical performance section. All right. What I'm going to be focusing on here is how the EA behaved across the XAUUSD H1 historical data and how consistently it followed its trend logic during different market phases. But for now, let us first see the information we have here on the MQL5 marketplace page. And based on the results we are seeing here, this should be 2024 to 2025. All right. So about 1 year of back testing. We have total profit 26,657.11, and we have total trades taking 115. Short trades were 0, so all 115 were long trades with 26% win rate. Wow, that's quite low. All right, and we can see that the largest profit was 3,934.57. Largest loss was 2,566.74. Average profit was 1,550.72. Average loss was 195.7. Okay, so the average risk to reward ratio is pretty amazing, right? It's pretty amazing. And okay, so with such an excellent risk to reward ratio, I believe that would have been one of the main factors that contributed to the positive net profit, even though the win rate is very low. All right, now let's just head over to our strategy tester and see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we're testing the Blackbird EA on XAUUSD as recommended, on the H1 time frame as recommended, and we're testing it from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. So it covers just around 5 months and a week. Now we are using the last ping to the server for the delays, and we are using the every tick modeling. Okay, so looking at the results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, we have a total net profit of 3,328.6. That's about 3.3%. And now the total trades, we have 41 short trades. There were no short trades. All trades were long trades, 41 of them, 31.71% win rate. All right, so the largest profit here is 4,094.2. The largest loss is 6,655.6. The average profit is 2,540.8, and the average loss is 1,060.78. So using this information here, the average risk to reward ratio is okay as well. It's close to 1:2.5, right? So when you put that side by side with the win rate is low actually. The win rate is very low, but when you put the win rate side by side with the amazing, or well, not exactly amazing, but the good risk to reward ratio, it's not exactly surprising to have a total net profit of 3.3% over 5 months, right? But now let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visuals right now, and we can look at the EA in action. All right, so I'm looking at the historical performance, and what I'm focusing on is how the EA behaved across the XAUUSD H1 historical data and how consistently it followed its trend logic during different market phases. So from the chart behavior, it appears the system is reacting to directional movement rather than random entries, which aligns with the triple moving average framework mentioned in the description. We can also see the three moving averages here, right? The triple moving average framework is actually at play. So the logic seems centered around identifying momentum shifts and riding trends on gold. So in terms of results, I'm treating this purely as historical backtest performance, okay, not future expectations. Performance like this can vary significantly depending on risk settings, broker conditions, spread, and execution quality. All right. As I already mentioned before, we ran the back test over about 5 months and a week. But I recommend that if you are interested in this EA, you would want to run it over a longer period of time, perhaps a year or 2 years or even more, so that you can be able to capture a wide range of market conditions, right? You can be able to capture more data for the back testing, and you can be able to get a more comprehensive result. Okay. And as we can see, this EA is not the type to be stacking trades aggressively, right? It's taking its time to look for opportunities in the market before executing. So overall, this EA is positioned as a structured, trend-focused, automated system for gold traders who want a fully hands-off approach. But like always, I would recommend running longer historical tests and forward testing before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.